This is ABC.
Business Now is brought to you by Nextel. You've never used a phone like this before. And by Ernst & Young, LLP, from thought to finish. And by Silicon Valley Bank, beyond banking, partners for innovation. And now, Karen Ryan.
Every day we see new electronic products that are faster, smaller, and do more. This technological revolution is due in large part to major advancements in silicon chip design. Business Now's Mike Sanford discovers one Fremont company that's leading the way towards creating a whole system on a single chip. And it's doing it by combining some key features for the first time.
You name the product, and chances are it's more dazzling, more dependable than just a few years ago. From digital cameras to fire and burglar alarms, cell phones to vehicle tracking systems, elevators to entry scanners. They've all got microcomputers inside called embedded systems, and they're getting smarter, smaller, and less expensive all the time.
As the silicon size gets smaller, the production cost gets smaller, the performance typically increases, and the reliability increases.
Bob Merritt, a semiconductor industry analyst, is tracking the relentless competition among chip makers to create a true system on a chip, where key functions and features are all embedded in just a chip or two instead of a half dozen or more. Merritt says studies have shown that fewer chips in a product often means they break less and offer more.
So there's a multiple number of benefits that the consumer can see from reducing the size and from consolidating more features onto an individual product.
And that's where Waferscale Integration comes in, a Fremont company that's emerging as one of the leaders in innovative chip design. They've developed a highly integrated chip called a PSD, a programmable system device. When PSDs are linked with a microcontroller, they provide the complete embedded system needed for products that have to be compact, competitively priced, and not power hungry. What's more, Waferscale president and CEO Mike Callahan says their chips uniquely integrate programmable logic and flash memory, meaning the system can be changed even after the chip's been installed in a circuit board.
This is a miniature system on a chip, if you will. Now, you still need other components around it, but it's one of the first steps in the direction of putting everything that you need on the chip.
Why is flash memory important? Well, it allows engineers much more flexibility in correcting programming flaws or adding features. A PSD allows them an easy way to bring flash benefits to their design.
Now customers have a way to either take an existing design and convert it to flash, or start a new design using flash technology without all the headaches. For example, digital cameras, engine controllers, smart thermostats, all these type of products can benefit from flash technology.
Flash memory isn't new. It wasn't invented by Waferscale. But what this company has done is create new ways for engineers to reprogram products remotely. A $99 development kit includes both the needed hardware and software to allow programming through a personal computer and a modem, sort of fixes by phone.
What this technology allows you to do is just that. You can actually remotely, while it's still in the board, still in a piece of equipment, change it.
The company says that kind of flexibility and unique designs helped them sell more than 22 million chips to over 1,700 customers around the world.
Since we're a smaller company and we don't have the large advertising budgets, many companies are not familiar with us. But once they find out about our product, they understand what it does. Usually the expression is, why hasn't somebody done this before? This is exactly what I need.
Steve Hall works for one of those companies that's discovered Waferscale Solutions. Standard Communications makes a variety of communication products for companies manufacturing everything from two-way radios to wireless phones. Hall says Waferscale's Easy Flash PSD provides more memory and more functionality, and that makes his customers happy.
Our customers are able to benefit from the expanded capability that the Waferscale device provides in a ability to simplify their own designs and therefore save cost in their final application.
Part of that simplification comes from the on-chip programmable logic. Experts say programmable logic will probably double to a $5 billion industry within 3 years. Waferscale faces a lot of competition, but some of those same experts like the company's chances.
It's a strong product offering. It has much more flexibility than a lot of the competing products. So it looks like it's a strong path. It looks like it's a very solid path.
What this basically allows them to do is build products that are smaller, products that have battery life that's longer, able to secure their code so their competitors can't copy their designs, allows them to program the device on the manufacturing line to save money, and most of all allows them to upgrade their products in the field simply over a phone line.
This is a very exciting time for us. Our biggest problem is not building the part right now. Our biggest problem is making our potential customers aware of how good this product is.
Waferscale provides us with more capability, more features and benefits than any of the other options that we have available in the market today.
And what will all this remote programmability mean for consumers? For one thing, some product recalls may soon be handled literally over the phone. You'll no longer have to send that flawed device back to the factory or repair shop. Your cell phone manufacturer could remotely program some new features right into your phone. Your automaker add features to your car's microcomputer. For manufacturers themselves, it means faster development cycles for new products and features, meaning the products we use will become even more user-friendly than ever before. All thanks in part to a company that's helping take the electronics revolution to the next level.